In cost accounting subject, module number first, introduction to cost accounting, under a content of coding system. In this coding system, cost accounting contents are classified according to various coding systems. Under this, four coding systems we have to study here: the numerical system, the decimal system, the mnemonic system, the combined code system. So we are detailed contents studying here. First coding system is the numerical system. Numerical system, it means here using only the numbers. So as per cost classification, costs are classified according to their functional analysis. So costs are classified as per factory overheads, office administration overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. These thinking we are consider here also the numerical system. It means we assume 100, it's called as manufacturing overheads. We are given a proper number 100, it means manufacturing overheads. We have to sum of the code for 101. This code is for salary to salesman, 102 for factory rent, then 103 for depreciation of machinery, etc. It means we are using those contents relating to manufacturing overheads. We are given some of the code relating to 100, and those contents which are covered under factory overheads, these contents we are considered in 101, 102 and some of the numbers. Then second example of numerical system is we are assigned a code selling and distribution of 200. Then it's a series of 200, 201. We are given a code for commission to salesman 202. We are assigned the number to advertisement expenditure. Whenever we are writing in books of accounts, we are given only just the number 101. It's a coding number. We are already assigned the code. It's a salary to salesman. Whenever we are assigned a code 202, it means it's a advertisement expenditure. So these are particularly numerical systems we are assigned here. Numerical numbers, some of the codes we are given to particular expenditure. So it's a coding system under the numerical system. Then another one, second coding system is the decimal system. So decimal system, here we are given some of the examples also. 70 code number is assigned for factory overheads. 70.1, it's a factory rent. 70.2, it's a depreciation of machinery, and etc. So relate those contents relating to factory overheads, those which are covered here. So 70.3, 70.4, etc. N number of contents which are considered here. Power and fuel, then oils and lubricants. So these are the contents which are covered here, 70 under. Then 70.1, 70.2 decimal, here calculated as a decimal. Then we are move further for the next content, 80. It means a second example, 80 code assigned for a selling overheads. So 80.1, it's a salary to salesman. 80.2, it's a demonstration expenses. 80.3, this code is allocating for distribution expenses, for example. These are the extra. So etc. These are the coding numbers which are assigned for selling overheads. 70 is code number is assigned for factory overheads. So it's called as a decimal system. Then we are move further for the next content, mnemonic system. Mnemonic system, it means we are using here alpha contents. Only alphabets we are using here. For example, distribution expenses, we are using a code DE, capital letters DE. Then administration expenses, we are using code here, first capital letters of every word AE. Then steel bars, it's called as SB. So first capital letter we are using here, it's called as a mnemonic system. It means also it's called as alpha system. And next content is the combined code system. So SO1, it means SO indicates selling overheads and 1 represent salaries to salesman. It's a combined code system, alphanumeric. It's called as alphanumeric system. So it's a system of SO1. It means selling overheads. It is covered under selling overheads. So selling overheads under number 1, it means salary to salesman. So SO2, it means we are given a code for another one content, advertisement expenditure. So SO2. Then SO3, it means distribution expenses. So we are assigned the coding numbers. So it's called as alphanumeric as well as combined code system also. We are move further for the second example, RM third. It means RM indicates repairs and maintenance and 3 represent plans. So we have to assign the numbers. RM, it means repairs and maintenance, and 3 number is assigned for a plant. So these are the coding systems which are used in cost accounting.